Good morning, skiers. What time is it? It's Andorran windy time, and I'm not going to ski today as Arinsal is shut. Only the Maradas run was open for the race, as y'all can see in the video. The top of Arcalus seem to be closed. It will be hit and miss today as the chairlifts are open then shut due to high wind. So Grand Valera is open but not to full capacity. Pal is open but I'm not sure to what capacity though. So whatever is open, there will be a long waiting line to get on. I'm good and we shall see what the weather Andorra has tomorrow. But the temperatures maintain well below zero. Very good news, as we don't want warm weather to melt the little snow Andorra has, do we? I had a comment on my latest video stating that I provided false information. I would like to say that I do my homework before present the information to y'all. My information comes from various sources that y'all also have access to. Grand Valera website, for example, Andorran TV channels, from some friends who work up the ski stations, etc. But I must say that anything can happen up the ski resorts. Chairlifts open then shut due to high wind like today, or simply they are not working, broken down at any given time. It happened to me many times over. It's something skiers will have to deal with while being up there somewhere. I just simply gather the information for y'all skiers to save y'all some time. But I'm always open to any other information that y'all found while skiing on site, or any suggestion y'all may have. I am here to provide y'all honest reports with information as accurate as possible. Alrighty then, that's all for me now that we got that cleared up, and hope y'all enjoyed this short video. I will upload a video of my skiing yesterday and the day before tomorrow. If y'all like my videos and find them informative, interesting, and positive, do give them likes and subscribe if you haven't done so already. My many thanks to those who already subscribed. I thank you for watching. Have a nice day and happy skiing!